Hello, sweet crew, and welcome to a new episode of
Bake It.
I just couldn't make a classic cheesecake.
No.
Life isn't complicated enough, so I amped it up and decided to show you how I make my
Tastes exactly like how Mom does it.
cookies and cream cheesecake. Get your kitchen tools ready and let's whip it up. For the ingredients you'll need: cookie crumbs,
From the black and white sandwich cookies we all know and love.
cream cheese at room temperature, milk at room temperature, condensed milk, eggs at room temperature, unsalted butter, pure vanilla extract,
The black and white sandwich cookies we all know and love.
Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine the melted butter and the cookie crumbs. Mix with a fork until the crumbs are humid and can hold their shape when you squeeze them. Transfer the cookie crumbs in an 8 by 12 inch mold and press them down with a measuring cup to make sure you get an even layer. Mold the sides of the cookie crust the same way you worked the bottom.
We all love a cheesecake crust, but it's a bummer when you get more crumb than filling.
Bake in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. As the crust is heating up, remove the cream
From the black and white sandwich cookies we all know and love.
Patience is a virtue. In a large bowl, combine the cookie creams and the cream cheese and cream them until you get a creamy texture.
Winky face!
That's why room temperature cream cheese is important. We don't want any chunks in there. Add one egg at a time and whisk until combined. Don't overmix. Don't forget to clean the sides of your bowl. Add the milk, the condensed milk, and the vanilla extract and whisk until combined. By then, your cookie crumb crust should be out of the oven and cooling. Lower your oven temperature to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the filling on the cookie crumb crust. It's okay if it's still warm. Pop the cheesecake in the oven and bake for 1 hour. Optional step for garnish. Break some
The black and white sandwich cookies we all know and love.
into pieces. After 1 hour of baking, remove the cheesecake from the oven and sprinkle the cookie pieces over it. Whether you garnish or not, once you reach that 1 hour mark, raise the oven temperature to 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. The cake takes a while to bake, but slow and steady wins the race. The center should still be jiggly and a knife inserted should come out wet but relatively clean. If you want beautiful and clean slices, pass your knife under hot water to heat it up between each slice. You'll be surprised at the results. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment what you'd like to see next. Have a wonderfully sweet week.